How to fix Steam games not launching. So we will have few methods and steps here. The first thing to do if you encounter that problem is to simply restart your computer. So go to this side here and then click the power button and then kindly tap restart. So once you have opened your device, you have to go to Steam again and then click the play button and see if this method works. If not, then look for that specific game, right click, and then go to Properties. Now look for Installed Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now, if you tap this one or once you tap this, all the missing and corrupt files will all be fixed. But you just have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes, okay, till it reaches 100%. Okay, so successfully validated. Now you just have to click the game, and if you still encounter the same problem, what you're going to do is to proceed to the next thing. You just have to go to your settings and then clear cache. Okay, now once you're done with that, then still the situation or the problem exists. Next thing to do is to simply uninstall the game, tap the game, and then right click and then kindly go to manage and then uninstall. And after that, you have to install this one again and see if the problem or it will resolve the problem. Okay, if not again, then the best thing to do is to simply uninstall Steam application. So go to add and remove and then look for Steam application or Steam and then click the three dots and then uninstall. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then you have to go back to your, or you just have to open to any web browser and then type Steam. And then there you will see install Steam. Okay. So what you're going to do is just tap this one, install Steam again. Okay. And then wait for a couple of minutes or seconds and then tap the folder and then run as administrator. Okay. And then after that, you just have to click next, next, and then install. And then once done, all you have to do is to click, or you just have to open your Steam again, log in your account, look for that game. And I do really hope that after doing this method, it will fix Steam games not launching. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.